So I'm going to show you what to do if you want to put newer generation taillights on your older generation Chrysler Pacifica. As you can see, this is a 2018 generation Chrysler Pacifica. So from 2018 and all the model years around that, I had the taillights that are more of the solid filled taillights, and I want to put the newer taillights on it. So the outer side is done. That's the newer style, and that is the older style. So we're going to be changing the middle part and the outer sections. Now, in order to make these work, you have the old taillight and you have the new taillight. The new taillight on top has a white on the left and a black on the right, and the old taillight has black on the left and white on the right. So what you have to do on the vehicle on the outside, swap those two lights so they'll match up with the new connector and have white going in on the left side and black going in on the right side. That's all you have to do to get the new taillights to work. So I'll show you this again. This is the new taillight harness, the old taillight harness. You can see the white on the new one is on the left and the white on the old one is on the right. So what you got to do is swap the old around so the white is on the left side, the black on the right side, and it will plug directly into this and it will match up. So this is what my finished product looks like. Since I don't have a pin tool to change the pins in the connector, I just clip the wires, and now I have the white going to the black, and I have the black over here going to the white. So basically I just swapped the white and black wires and I crimped them together. I'll wrap this up with electrical tape and push it back inside. So now you can see you got the new taillight outer with the old taillight inner assembly, and they're wired up and they're working. So now we got to change out this middle part with the new updated part. So this whole hatch piece just pulls off. You got the two corners, and then you got the middle piece. So you start with the middle piece, pull this one off, then pull this piece off, pull this piece off, and then this whole big piece here will just pull right off. Now you can get to the middle taillight area. So this is a bunch of little nuts, and when you see, there's just a bunch of locations that you need to remove all these nuts, and then disconnect the light, and then that panel should raise out of there. All right, so this is the current step I'm at. This is the new light fixture, and this is the old light fixture. Take the old camera harness, plug, and license plate lights, and swap them into the new lens, okay? And then all you'll need is these three wires, which are now the new running lights to make the lights run, and you'll splice those into the harness that controls the running lights from the vehicle. So those running lights will control this to run. Your old camera will have the reverse camera, and it'll turn the LEDs on. I'll update this once I have it all installed. And I'd like to make another note that you need your old camera so that it can plug into the old camera harness, but you need the new camera mount, okay? So hopefully that makes sense. Swap the old camera into the new camera bracket so that it can bolt up into the new camera fixture. Another update. So I took this old harness off of one of the middle running lights on the tail lights, and this will go on the new wires from the new harness. So I'm going to splice these in, and it will plug into the harness of the old running lights. Match the wires up and plug them in here. The wires coming from the new harness, white, black, and red. The old harness on the old vehicle. I took that connector, white, black, and red, spliced them in to the old harness, to the new harness. This is the old harness with the old camera and the old license plate lights. plugged in. And as you can see, license plate lights are on, and the LED is lit up, and the LEDs on the corner are lit up. All right, so then I'll just recap this video. These are the old taillights, as you can see. These are the old parts that I didn't use. I didn't use the washer sprayer. I didn't use the new harness. I didn't use the new LED license plate lamps, a couple extra bolts because the new lens doesn't have as many mounting points. I did not use the old camera housing. I switched to the new, and I did not use the new camera. So these are the leftover parts, and this is the finished product with the new generation taillights on an older generation Chrysler Pacifica.